Dear Big Sis, I've been watching you, and I told Mom what you've been up to. She told me to keep an eye on you. She also said, if I keep on keeping up with you, I might end up just like you. The truth is, I hope she's right. I admire what you're doing, and I do want to be just like you. I want to dare like you. Climb the stairs like you. I even want my hair like you. I just want to say that I do appreciate you. And everything you see. Because when I look at you, it's what I want to be.
To all the sisters out there, we see you. And so do they. Shine different.